them out of picnic in here. One of them have to go with them picnic and not even have clothes. A panty alone, I left in her. I never beg nobody nothing here to go nobody I go sleep and me have to live like a waste. If you walk and I beg and family them clothes. God now sleep here. We are poor people, left homeless. I'm pity traumatized.
Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just gonna jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
Yes, so now people, make we kick off the video like this.
Let me tell you this about that generation here too. You see, if you don't do half I think them people do nowadays, then consider you lame. Like nothing not go on for you. See all the people them have their 9 to 5 and anything there. And them people, them see people and this up and class down and go on like say people them like you're better than the people them through what you your party, you your smoke, you your drink. You know, say half our bumbuckler generation are dead off young. Everybody just do one bag of madness right now. You scroll all the internet. Be a boy and girl upon internet internet relationship advert. The generation is confusing you.
So yeah people, for all of those who don't know, that is dancehall artist Quada. I want to drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about what Quada say right there. So. But coming up in this other news. Gunmen fired and residents fleeing their burning homes, forcing them back into the fiery structure. According to a preliminary report of the early morning terror that gripped Gregory Park, St. Catherine, leaving one resident dead and more than 40 residents homeless. The attack took place at 17 and 44 Walkers Avenue at the intersection of Cottage Drive in the dark morning of Saturday. Police report said the carnage started sometime 3 a.m. when a group of men armed with rifles and handguns then made their way to 44 Walkers Avenue where the fire victims were asleep. The attackers allegedly threw oil on the houses and set them ablaze. They later on opened gunfire which awoke the occupants. Whilst the occupants were escaping from the burning building, the gunmen opened fire at them which they had to retreat back inside the burning houses, the report said. One of the residents sustained burns all over her body and is now hospitalized in serious condition. At 17 Walkers Avenue, 28-year-old taxi operator Renil Rumpunch Artin, who was reportedly sitting on a white Toyota Probox motorcar with a friend, was also shot. Both men reportedly heard explosion and in a bid to escape, Artin was shot in his upper body and right arm. He collapsed and later died. The teams from the Waterford and Spanish Town fire station extinguished the blaze. 8 houses were destroyed and 3 partially burned, according to assessments so far, leaving 27 adults and 18 children without a home. Gregory Park is in Portmore, which is part of the St. Catherine South Police Division. The area has been witnessing an upsurge in gang-related violence in recent months. Yes, so now people, we have a female that is expressing her whole ordeal in that situation to Andrew Holness. As I may say, and basically she explained everything we go on the night and what really take place with she and her kids them and what she have to do to make everybody survive or to make everybody in a fear household survive, because as you can hear about 8 house burned down and about 5 of them, you understand, partially burned down. You see me as a people. So basically she expressed everything what really go on the night and when them a try to run out of the house and everything and the man them open back fire just for them run back in the building. But here are people, me I go make you check out the video for yourself and you can drop on honest thoughts and this situation down into the comment section.
But the greatest thing I have life, you understand, my life not gone. And when I have to say to them wicked people there, all the thing I tell them is go and go repent. God not see. God not see fear. We are poor people, left homeless. I'm pity traumatized. God not see.
Sorry,
what could
why? I mean, there's no reason for
no
this,
reason
no
for
explanation.
This. They just want to take what is not theirs. That is what they want. They want to run everywhere and everybody indulge in a badness. And then everybody wants a badness. Then everybody indulge in that. A different thing we are trying to build now, because everybody are dead off by crime and violence. Them things they don't make it. We don't need them things there. Class lane, people always say class lane bad, class lane no bad. Whenever nobody do nobody nothing, anyway in a Gregory Park, I hear some people run come to rescue. Now we rescue them. So anybody feel like say evil people live down here, evil people don't live down here, them take care of we down here so. People come from where them come from and want come eliminate we for no reason at all. When you traumatize me for different fan table with me youth I eat. Now my house and my work hard for buying things them don't know me get the things them. But when me I tell everybody, nobody get evil. Now watching that there's a God. But God see, enough man can't see. So you just allow people to time. You understand? That alone I have to say, and big up everybody will come and see if we're alright and whatsoever and look out for we. You understand? So big up to everybody. You see me, all the old lady will get bun up. I want to feel now, no better, I want a tree girl. Me attack, I'm not afraid of nobody. I got alone, I'm afraid and one life I have. Uno tree girl. We come with the man them. Oh no feel. Oh uno feel. People son bring man come burn up to us down here. And uno pint out to us them. And everybody will get burn up now in no war. We ain't nothing with nobody. And I say innocent for left and this for left. And wet for left and wet for left and uno for stay. Everybody have a family, everybody have a life. You understand? Everybody have them 12 o'clock. And no one day, no one night. Yeah? God there, I watch everything. And whatever God, there's a God. Who not believe in a God? Who not believe in a God? Because him make what they used to know. God alone could have saved with nobody. Because when shatter bus and fire blaze, nobody to rescue. Nobody. God alone, him save. I'm look at baby. I run behind the mattress. We go hide from fire. In the fire, I catch the mattress. So my brother I run, go up on the bed. I have push off my brother because me alone focus. I push out my brother, so I say, where you go to the door, a fire, and him go to my draw my daughter by her one and draw her off, and push her through, so I draw my son and I push him through. See the bathroom there, so I put them in the corner of the bathroom, because through the concrete part, the right there, so we can back them from the shot. So I say, I stay in the bathroom. My boyfriend I run out and him drop the current catching car water. Because I run out and throw the water, because when the fire catching up, the fire catch a curtain, so I run out and one bucket of water, they have a pipe by it alone, I could have throw. And when I throw the water done, when the water done,
so
the people who
came to destroy the houses, they were seen.
A lot of people see them and God see them too. Woman they didn't eat. We don't know who them because we don't mix with them. Because we don't mix with people, you know. Worse evil people. And one whole heap of them come down far away. One whole heap of them. But who am I tell them say, bad man no kill woman and picnic or burn down woman and picnic house, yeah? Bad man not do that, on evil. On evil, on wicked, on go repent. And no mother, no sister, no brother, no go pray for them, because judgment I go take them. Right. And no me I go touch them, not even gunshot I go touch them. With judgment I go take them, remember I tell them. Yeah? Be a woman and picnic homeless, the people them want to picnic in here. One them have to go with them picnic and not even have clothes. Have auntie alone, I left in her. I never beg nobody no near to go nobody I go sleep and me have to live like a waste. I have to walk and I beg and family them clothes. But me tell you, know, so what I do? I have 100 here and I pay a fee. Don't talk.
So yeah people, we have come to the end of the video. So drop your honest thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about this situation. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here. Peace, love, unity, bless up every time, every day. I'm out.